Good morning, my loves. Oh my, this feels really strange. I haven't vlogged in a long time. It is a beautiful morning here in Ireland. The thaw is on. All the snow is melted away and I'm just lying on my bed because I was going to film this morning. I have a sponsored video I need to film for Essence, but I don't think that's going to happen today because the sun is too bright, and if you know, I film in natural lighting, and when it's too sunny it's just impossible, but it's okay because the video doesn't need to be done by Thursday. We have a bit of time. I think instead today, look at the back of my hand. I was swatching stuff last night. I'm a dirty girl. I need to go and wash this hand. Yeah, I was swatching loads of products last night because I have a lot of videos coming up and things I wanted to use in it, so I was just gone crazy swatching. Ooh, sun's gone behind a cloud. Might be able to film after all. So happy that the thaw is here because I couldn't deal with the snow anymore. It was kind of getting a bit like dirty and like slushy, and there's a lot of snow. And I know a lot of people like from different countries, especially like my subscribers from like countries that get an awful amount of snow, are like, oh my god, what's wrong with you there in Ireland, you know, you got like 3 foot of snow or whatever. But guys, we are not at all prepared in our little country for snow, like the volume of snow that we actually got last weekend, because we don't get it. It hasn't happened since 1982 or something. I wasn't even a thought in anyone's mind then, so I have never even seen snow like this in my life. I haven't lived in any other country, and like I said, our little country is just not prepared. We didn't have snow plows. We do have snow plows in the country, but it's not like they're in every city. It's not like they're in every town and every village. They have to go from like Dublin to like different parts of the country and like clear their roadways. So our housing estate was cleared on Sunday, I believe, and then I think they cleared down the rest of the country and stuff like that so people could get out of their houses. Like, that's how bad it was. We don't have chains in our cars. We don't have anything like that. We're just not equipped for the snow. So it really took us and threw us through a loop here in Ireland, and people were laughing because everybody was panicking over like bread and milk, and they were running out to the local shops and you could not find a pan of Brennan's bread anywhere in the country. Like, my dad went to Tesco's on Sunday morning and he was like, couldn't get bread for love nor money, and I was like, wow, people are just crazy. But you know, like, we're not going to die without bread for 3 days, but that just goes to show you the mentality of Irish people. We're like, we need our bread, and I totally get it. I totally hear ya. Not that I'm a major bread lover, but I do appreciate now an old slice of white toasted bread with some Kerrygold on it. You just can't go wrong. So yeah, that's the scale here today. I got an order in the mail of products that I was waiting, well, not products I was waiting on, they were just products that I had ordered and they have arrived. And I'm still waiting on a Beauty Bay order so I can film my subscribers' favorite makeup. I feel like that video is just never gonna happen. I'm planning it since June, guys. June. Yeah, I know. Oh, there's the postman. Yay! I've just finished filming 2 videos today. Well, no, 3 actually. Well, I'm half done the 3rd one, but I am filming my review of this new Penneys foundation, which I'll talk to you about in a minute. My skin is so dry today. I never ever complain about dry skin. I never have dry skin. My skin is oily, but it's so dehydrated today and it just looks ugh. And it's not the foundation, because I woke up with my skin feeling really tight and dry, and I put a face mask on last night and I don't know why my skin is just dehydrated. It's never like this, and I'm drinking so much water. Probably just the weather, the change in season or something, or the fact that I was cooped up in the house for like 3 days while we were snowed in or something and the heat was on. I don't know, I'm not really sure, but my skin's not great. Ugh. And I hate when I'm having bad skin days because it's, well, I suppose kind of rare, but still. Anyway, I want to show you the foundation and we're going to discuss just a little bit, because the full review of this foundation will be up on my main channel. I'm hoping either Wednesday or Friday. It'll be up this week anyway. This is the foundation, and all you guys had talked to me about it over the weekend, saying I needed to try it and test it out. That so many people were saying that this was the dupe for the Estee Lauder Double Wear, so that's what I'm doing today. I'm comparing them. I'm not going to tell you which side is which because I think it'll be fun for the the video, even though you'll know in the first like 5 minutes. Oh, I think this might be fun. Do you remember I told you that the postman arrived? He brought me a package from Morphe, and Morphe have released new eyeliners, which I think is really, really interesting. And they're $9 a piece. Well, there's also a Define Your Artistry new new eyelid primer as well. So that's $10. That's very interesting. So these are the products. They came out with 6 eyeliners, which I'll look at them in a minute. And this is the eye primer, which kudos to Morphe for making, you know, interesting products and keeping them at affordable prices. Like $9, that's probably maybe €8 for liquid liners. I mean, I think Maybelline ones are even more expensive than that. So that's what the eye primer looks like. Ooh. Oh yeah, it is coloured. Oh, it's kind of thick as well. Ooh, feels really nice. It's kind of like pore filling. I don't know, is that really weird to say? These are the gel pots, which I'm really interested in. And again, kudos to Morphe for bringing these out. I don't know when they release. Does it have a date? These liners are available in 6 shades anyway, so this is one of them here. This is obviously a purple. Voodoo. Is this so tricky to do with one hand? Hang on now here. See, can we open this pot with one hand? If I can, I am super skilled. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm doing it. Oh my god, the skill. The skill involved in this. So there. Ah, that was such an anticlimax. But that's the colour there. Let's open this. I'm such a big dope. I stuck my big claw finger into the bloody pot when I was trying to open it. It slipped and then my finger went in there. But anyway, that's what the colour looks like. It's really pretty. It's all over my hands. Currently, I'm trying to clean up my fingers. Look at it everywhere. And I don't want to get it on my bed, but it's such a pretty colour. Guys, I'm actually dead over these. Like, look at that blue there. And then we've this brown, which you probably can't really see. Yeah, there you can kind of see. That's coffee. The blue one is called Vitamin C. That's kind of cool, Vitamin C. And then we have a gold one here. Look at this, guys. It's so pretty. And that's called Lit AF. Then there's a black one as well, which is called Jet. And then there's kind of a glittery black one. That's not it. That's coffee. Where's the glittery black one gone? I had it here 2 seconds ago. That's it there. Stargazer. So you can probably see that there. It kind of has like shimmers of like green going through it or something. Looks very unusual. Can't wait to try them out. Guys, I also picked up this Lasting Finish Breathable Foundation from Rimmel. A lot of people were talking about this and they wanted me to try it out. And I'm going to give it a whirl. Some people said that it's a bit like the Clinique foundation. The 1-2, oh, what the hell is it called? 2-in-1 or whatever it's called. The Clinique foundation with a doe foot wand. This one has one of those too. So I'm going to test this out on a first impression. So I'll be testing that out next week. Apparently we're supposed to be getting another storm. We had the beast from the east last weekend. Apparently we're getting the pest from the west next week. Where do they get these names from? I don't know. But that's apparently what's coming. Again, I don't know if that's true or what the story is with that, but yeah. I'm not leaving the house at all today, in case you guys are expecting an absolutely fabulously, you know, exciting vlog. I have way too much work to do. Even sitting here talking to you guys, I know that in my mind I should be doing something else, and we're gonna stay here and chat. This weekend is so exciting. I'm going to Michelle's bridal shower. We're doing something really glamorous, and obviously I know what it is. I'm not going to say because Michelle watches my vlogs and I don't want to spoil it for her, but I'm so excited. And I got my dress this morning. I didn't get my dress this morning, I ordered my dress this morning. It's a mauve colour and I got it on Misguided. It's supposed to be here in like 24 hours, so it better be here by tomorrow, because if it's not, I'm going to have to go back and order something else and find something else I want to wear. But it looks really nice. It's like high necked, but I don't know, it's nice and it has a low back and it's mauve and I just really like that shade. I don't know what I'm going to do with my eye makeup, and I was going to call over to Michelle's early, but then the match is on. Ireland's playing Scotland, so I don't want to miss that. I really don't. I love rugby so much. I don't want to miss it, and we're just doing so well. So I don't know whether to go over before and watch it in her house or go over after when it's over. I don't know, the decisions I have to make, because I kind of want to spend more time with her, as I haven't seen Michelle in probably about 3 weeks, and I just want to spend a little bit of time with her, and I'm so excited for her bridal shower. And she is wearing a white dress and I'm so excited to see her. And I'm getting my hair done on Friday, like I already mentioned. Did I mention that I'm getting my hair done on Friday? I know I mentioned it there earlier when I was filming, but I don't know if I mentioned it on my vlog. But I'm getting my roots done on Friday, and I just can't wait because I'm gonna be nice and fresh and blonde. And yeah, I just, you know, I only got my roots done in the end of January, and they're already so grown out. Like, I don't even know if you can see that, but they're so grown out. My extensions are so grown out as well. Like, they need to be redone, which I probably will do that shortly also. I don't know what I'm talking about right now, guys. I actually need to go and sort my life out and actually edit and do a few more jobs. I have a lot of emails to get back to as well. I have a ton of sponsored videos coming up soon, which I'm really excited about. And don't worry, they won't be all like at the one time on YouTube, or, you know, blocked into one or whatever. Like, they're going to be spaced out. Oh yeah, I knew I meant to talk to you about something. I wasn't going to talk about it. Actually, I need to get comfortable here. I'm going to lie on my bed. I was not going to talk about this to you guys because I just feel like there's so much backlash. I'm going to cover myself with my blankie. Ugh. I just feel like there's so much backlash, there's so much war going on online, and it's just not necessary, and it's just really unproductive negativity. My lips look awful, ignore. The Tati situation. Okay guys, so I think this is probably on everybody's mind, everybody's concerned about it, and I know an awful lot of my followers have been asking me because I'm a qualified nutritionist, and they're kind of like trying to get my 2 cents on it. I did write back in a comment, but I'm getting so many questions. I don't know why people think that I'm like the person that knows all the answers. I do have a Bachelor of Science, yes, and I specialize in nutrition. I also have a higher diploma in nutrition, and I have a higher diploma in sports nutrition. But I don't know everything. Like, I mean, I learn new things every day. Vitamins, supplements, tablets are not FDA approved, and they're not drug therapies.
What I actually meant to say here is vitamins and minerals don't need to be FDA approved because they actually don't fall under a drug category. They're actually defined as a dietary supplement, so they're categorized under food. It just puts them under a different regulation than drugs. They're considered safe until proven otherwise.
Okay, it's true, she doesn't have a background in nutrition. She has a team working with her, I'm sure, that does have backgrounds in science, chemistry, nutrition. To be honest, with the whole debacle, I feel like it was just a weird avenue for Tati to go down with vitamins and minerals being a review channel and a makeup channel. But that was her choice and her decision, and she felt that she wanted to run with it, and that's her full-on decision. But if you are eating a balanced, healthy diet, you're getting in all your vitamins and minerals, adequate sunlight, or you're taking the supplement, you will probably not benefit hugely from other supplements. You will just pee them out, because anything that's unsafe or unprocessed or can't be used in our body, we just excrete it, and that's just the way our body protects ourselves, because we'll get hypervitaminosis if we have too many vitamins, which causes loads of different issues. So that's basically my 2 cents on the whole thing. If you have a balanced, healthy diet, you don't need supplementation. Your hair should grow naturally. Since I've improved my diet this year, my hair has grown rapidly, and you can see that. That's since January. You may think that that's like not that much growth, but for me, it's a lot. And when I wasn't eating, my diet was obviously pretty poor, and therefore my skin and hair were not doing really well. So my hair kind of like further down is not great, because that was during a time of, you know, when I wasn't eating, and now I'm eating much better, much healthier, that my hair is actually starting to grow, and the hair growing from the root is much stronger. And your hair has a memory, so all the different like strands of your hair, depending on where the hair growth is from, will show your health. Obviously, if your body is healthy, your hair will grow healthy from the root, and it's not going to repair any damage down here. All the damage down to the rest of my hair is caused already, so there's nothing I can do about it. That's why eating clean, healthy diet is best for your skin, and your hair and your nails will all start improving and behaving if you're eating well. It's the key to everything in life, is just a healthy, balanced diet. And I have no more to say on the topic. If you want to take vitamins and minerals, by all means, you know, go for it. If you want to try out Tati's product, you want to support her, that's amazing. I'm not saying I'm not supporting her, I just don't have any interest in vitamins like that. I would, you know, benefit more from eating a balanced diet, which is what I am doing now, and eating little and often. Will say is, if you want proper evidence of a product working, you need to study peer-reviewed journals or peer-reviewed studies, which are basically studies that are conducted over a period of time, and they're reviewed and they're signed off, mostly with people who have PhDs and stuff like that. So they're not just signed off by Mary down the road or John across the street who tried these products. No, they're peer reviewed, they're studied, documented well. Sorry guys, my battery is dying. So basically what I was trying to say is, in order for something to be proved, it needs to be a repeatable study that you get the same outcome, if that makes any sense. You know, you don't need to have a science background to know that, but yeah, you know, that's my whole thoughts on the topic. I'm gonna go charge my battery now and I'll talk to you guys later.
The other thing I will say is I haven't actually looked at Tati's ingredients in her product. If you're worried about any particular ingredient and you're on medication, just contact your GP and ask them if it's okay for you to take. That's the best advice I can give you, and if you're unsure of it, then don't take it.
What are you doing? Can I have this ball? Do you want a ball? Do you want the... Why has this ball got a mouth, Chewy? Hello, Chewy. How are you? Hello. Do you want it? Do you want it? Oh! You're scary. Here. That was so scary. Did you get it? Yeah, you did. I promise I have moved today, guys. I'm just lying in my bed because I'm editing, and I decided that I would take a little bit of a lie down. I have really bad cramps and I'm just feeling really kind of like totes emosh. You know the way you kind of like PMS? I'm totally having that right now today, and I'm just kind of... I need to just lie down. So I started editing a video that I filmed today, and I just did my second last checkup of the foundation. I'm pretty impressed. Don't know if you guys can see. My skin doesn't look fantastic right now because I'm starting to get like little spots on my chin and jaw. But this penneys foundation is holding up pretty well. I think I might put a little movie on, watch some Disney's in my room here while I'm editing. Why not? My house is scorching tonight. I don't know why. I think it's the heating that's on, and I have a hot water bottle in there to help me with the cramps. I got a new journal from Penneys. I just thought it was really cute, and this is my abundance journal. Abundance and gratitude journal. That's what that one is. So I'm just logging in some stuff from today, and I did my bullet journaling as well today. I'm just loving journaling. I journaled, I don't know if I mentioned that in that bullet journal, but I've been journaling since I was 11. Like I would write in my little journal like, went to see my baby cousin today, went to do blah 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 today. That's how I used to journal. Like now it's obviously a little bit different, but I've done it since I was 11, and most nights I will write down stuff. Like every day I like to write. I don't know, it's calming. So yeah, that's all kind of the crack at the moment, and I can't go to bed until after midnight, and I am knackered today, like absolutely wrecked. So I have to wait till after midnight before I can finish this update video because I started so late today. But coffee as well to kind of wake me up as well, and I probably won't sleep at all tonight. Anyway, I'm gonna get back to the whole editing situation and I'll talk to you guys in a bit. So I'm done filming and I need to go take off this makeup because it's been on for like 12 hours. And yeah, I just did my last update of the night. Why are you going blurry? Did my last update of the night of this foundation, these foundations, both foundations, and I'm pretty impressed. Wow. You probably can't see in this lighting because I look orange, but both foundations still intact, both looking good. I'm going to hop in the shower now, take off this makeup, and guys, I will talk to you all tomorrow. Take care. Mwah.